Do you want to know how to delete cookies and site data on DuckDuckGo? Then this video is for you. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Quick guide. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. So let's get started. First of all, go ahead and launch DuckDuckGo app. Now, once you do that, on the top right corner, you're going to see this 3-dot menu. From there, navigate your way to History, then select Show All History. Now, there you'll see Delete All option. Tap on it. Now make sure you tick this box, also delete cookies and site data, then tap on Delete. And guys, that's it. That's how you clear or delete cookies and site data on DuckDuckGo. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.